It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The body grabs you, the interior draws you in, and the engine keeps you coming back. And it comes with all the amenities you need: external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, 3 12-volt power outlets, power tilting steering column, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection notes the power band is relatively wide and the power is smooth. 0 to 60 miles per hour times are well under 7 seconds, and the top speed is 130 miles per hour. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,